Quick little video. See two beautiful vans, bridge cable. So do we do residential? When we get the right project, cameras. So we have front door entrance, and it really just depends on what the client would like. We have these beautiful posts out there, so it's really protecting the property. We have the side camera as well. So really a protection of your property. And I just want to show you out here. So we do alarm, video surveillance, data cabling, you name it. So a lot of times with residents, they're firing up different things. So we have a beautiful camera outside the entrance, and the customer asked us why we were here. Free HD antenna. So that was something the client brought above. So, and then this protects the different areas. So if you have a cabling job for us, security cameras, alarm, give us a call, 877-832-1206. And on a hot day, we might actually do something with their plants. We love tomatoes.